What is a quality management system? When you think about how a business works, the first things that probably come to mind are the typical processes and departments: product development, sales, marketing, HR, and so on. But each of these operational areas are driven by an overarching system that's often overlooked: the Quality Management System, or QMS. What is a quality management system? In a nutshell, it's the beating heart of your business. Your QMS is the bundle of processes and responsibilities that make your business run how it's supposed to, and ensures that the products and services that you provide satisfy your customers and your stakeholders. A good QMS is formed of some typical key ingredients. Documents structure and organize how information flows around your business, keeping everyone on the same page and working in the way they're supposed to. An effective training program ensures everyone in your company can do their job properly. And quality management processes make your products and services stronger by identifying problems, weaknesses, and waste, then fixing them. A functional QMS is important for any business. But in highly regulated industries like life sciences or aerospace, where effective processes can be the difference between life and death, proving to a regulator that your QMS works is absolutely crucial for getting to market and selling your products. It's simple. The stronger your quality management system is, and the more you invest in it, the stronger the rest of your business becomes.